iFour Technolab Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2015 certified and leading sustainable IT service provider. Presents tutorial of smart contract using Solidity. The purpose of this course is to give you complete understanding and hands-on experience with smart contracting using Solidity for blockchain technology. In Chapter 4, Cryptocurrency and Blockchain, covers an overview of cryptocurrency and blockchain, and demystifies various cryptocurrency and blockchain jargons. We are going to discuss the following topics. What is cryptocurrency? How does cryptocurrency work? What is coin? What is token? History of cryptocurrency. Difference between cryptocurrency and blockchain. Media currency. Internet-based medium. Cryptocurrency is an internet-based medium of exchange in the form of digital money that only exists online. To verify and secure transactions, cryptocurrencies use cryptography. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology to accomplish decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the world. There are over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies in the world at the moment, and many people see them as the future economy. Not controlled by any central authority. A cryptocurrency's most significant feature is that it is not controlled by any central authority. The blockchain's decentralized nature makes cryptocurrencies theoretically immune to the old ways of control and interference by the government. Sent by using private and public keys. Private and public keys. Cryptocurrencies can be sent by using private and public keys directly between two parties. These transfers can be made with minimal processing charges, allowing users to avoid the high charges that traditional financial institutions are charging. Cryptocurrency work. Cryptocurrency wallets use software to send transactions between peers called cryptocurrency wallets. Transfer funds. The transaction creator uses the wallet software to transfer a balance from one account to another, aka a public address. Knowledge of a password, aka a private key, related to the account is required to transfer funds. Encryption. Transactions made between peers are encrypted, and then transmitted to the network of the cryptocurrency to be added to the public ledger. A method called mining will then record transactions on the public ledger. Access to the ledger. All users of a specified cryptocurrency have access to the ledger, if they choose to access it. For example, by downloading and operating a software copy called a full node wallet. As opposed to keeping their money in a third-party wallet such as Coinbase. The amounts of the transaction are public, but the transaction sent is encrypted. A distinctive set of keys. Each transaction returns to a distinctive set of keys. Anyone who owns a set of keys, owns the amount of cryptocurrency connected with those keys. Many transactions are added at once to the ledger. These transaction blocks are added by miner sequentially. That's why the ledger is called the blockchain and the technology behind it. It's a chain of a block. Token. Overview. Coins, that are also often called altcoins or alternative cryptocurrency coins, are digital money, created using encryption techniques, that store value over time. It is a digital equivalent of money. Bitcoin is the most famous example. How it is used. Digital coins are generally used in the same way as a real-life coin is, as money. You can think of coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Monero just like the coins in your wallet or piggy bank. Often, they don't serve any other purpose than to be used as money. Example. All the largest market cap digital assets are defined as coins today. However, not all coins have a large market cap. Industry price website CoinMarketCap lists over 900 different examples of coins, like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, of coins, like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Stellar, Neo, NEM. Main overview. Tokens are digital assets, issued by the project, which can be used as a method of payment inside the project's ecosystem, performing similar functions with coins. But the main difference is that it also gives the holder a right to participate in the network. Purpose. Most tokens exist to be used with decentralized applications. When developers are creating their token, they can decide how many units they want to make, and where these new tokens will be sent when they are created. They will paste some of the native cryptocurrency on the blockchain they are creating the token on at this point. Tokens creation. Creating tokens is a much easier process, as you do not have to modify the codes from a particular protocol, or create a blockchain from scratch. All you have to do is follow a standard template on the blockchain, such as on the Ethereum template on the blockchain, such as on the Ethereum or Waves platform, that allows you to create your tokens. This functionality of creating your tokens is made possible through the use of smart contracts. Currency. In 1998, Wade published AB Money Description, an anonymously distributed money system of electronica. Nick Szabo developed BitGold, like Bitcoin, and other currencies cryptography. The first cryptocurrency to capture the public imagination was Bitcoin, introduced by a person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. It was the first successful cryptocurrency to use script instead of SHA-256 as its hash function. There were over 500 different types of cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, for online market trading as of January 2015. But only 10 of them had more than $10 million in market capitalizations. As of September 2017, there were more than 1,100 cryptocurrencies, and all cryptocurrencies' complete market capitalization achieved an all-time high of more than $60 billion. The complete market cap then reached $600 billion by December 2017, a multiple of 10 in just 2 months. Bitcoin has been the most just 2 months. Bitcoin has been the most commonly known and used cryptocurrency since 2019. Meanwhile, other coins such as Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, etc. differs between cryptocurrency and blockchain platform. Cryptocurrencies are the tokens used for sending value and paying for all these transactions within these networks. You can also see them as a blockchain tool, serving as a resource or utility function in some cases. They are used other times to digitize an asset's value. Blockchain is the platform that brings the role of cryptocurrencies. The blockchain is the technology that serves as the network's distributed ledger. This network creates the means for transacting and enables transferring of value and information. Transaction. To transact on a blockchain, crypto is often essential. But we wouldn't have the means to record and transfer these transactions without the blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency is a sort of cryptographic currency. It has to do with the use of tokens based on the distributed ledger technology. It's a distributed ledger technology that forms a chain of blocks. Blocks include information and data that are bundled together and verified. Concept. Cryptocurrencies and blockchains are separate but related concepts. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.